Hello there, and welcome back to this wonderful Type Studio YouTube channel. We're glad to have you here. So today we're gonna be having a nice little chat about how to change your video into a square aspect ratio so it fits perfectly into Instagram. I'll have you changing that aspect ratio of your video like a pro in no time. All your friends are gonna be like, yo, how did Billy do that? How did he make his Instagram post so cool? So, with that being said, and that image in your mind of being the cool kid on the block, let's just hop into it, shall we? All right, so first things first, you're gonna have to locate that video that you want to turn into a square for Instagram. I have my video right here, so now that I have that, let's hop on over to Google and go to Type Studio and enter, it's your first result, typestudio.co, go there. This is an online video editor that you can use to change the aspect ratio of your video, export it, and then take that export and upload it elsewhere. So go up to the top right, sign up for a free account, and when you do, it will bring you to the dashboard here on which you can upload your project, upload your video project into here. So click New Project, go to that video and drag it in and upload it into the program. Once you have the video uploaded into the program, you will be met with the video editor itself, where on the left-hand side, you have your transcription of the dialogue of the video. So all the things you've said without the video are put into text so that you can edit it that way. And then on the right-hand side, you have your video preview. So if the video is exactly how you want it, as is, you don't have to make any cuts to it. All we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to this button that says original size, click that and go to square. Now, as you can see, change the aspect ratio of it and you can move your video to fit that. If that's what you wanted, you just kind of wanna crop it down in, which you can do that on Instagram anyways, but what you wanna do, if you wanna add a little variety to it, you can change the sizing of it and then add backgrounds, any color you want. Any color at all. And this will keep it all in that aspect ratio, that square aspect ratio, so that when you do export it, it will export in that format so that you can upload it into Instagram in that format. Now, also, if you want to add a little bit of flavor to it, if you'd like, what I want to do is I want to make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to go find this background. Ooh, whoops. And click Add Image, find this background, drag it in, and then put that bad boy right on top and then to the back. There you go. There are a bunch of different features you can do. You can even add text to it. So if you want to add text and have a title above your video, you can do that. LinkedIn post, click it, change the background, get rid of that background, make it bigger, put it up there. You know, the simple things. I'm gonna just show you all the features so you can run wild with it if you'd like. But once your video is exactly how you want it and everything is good with the aspect ratio change and you're ready to export, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the top right and you're gonna export and then export video. Once your video is done exporting, it'll bring you to the sharing page on which you can preview your video to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. And then you can finally just download it here by clicking the download button and it'll download right on your computer. Then you can upload it onto Google Drive or whatever and put it onto your phone and then you're good to go. So that's basically it, real short and sweet and to the point. I hope you learned a little bit of something. I hope to help you change your aspect ratio to Instagram so that you can be the coolest kid on the block, having the square ones. Remember, because your friends are all jealous now. And you know what would make them more jealous? Is if you hit that subscribe button and check out all our social medias, because we're posting new features all the time and we would hate for you to miss out on them if that's something that interests you. So consider subscribing and consider checking out our social medias. But with that being said, thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.